Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a PayPal debit card. This card offers a convenient way to access your PayPal balance for everyday purchases and ATM withdrawals. We'll go over the simple steps to get your own card, from checking your eligibility to understanding what happens after you submit your application. It's a great tool for managing your funds, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process. Before you apply, it's important to know the basic requirements. You'll need to have a verified PayPal account in good standing and be at least 18 years old. Make sure your personal information, like your address and date of birth, is up to date and accurate. Having these details ready will make the application process much smoother and quicker, ensuring you're fully prepared before moving on to the next steps. Applying for the card is straightforward. First, log in to your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet or Cards section. Look for the option to apply for the PayPal Debit MasterCard. You'll then be prompted to confirm your details and agree to the terms and conditions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete your application submission. It only takes a few moments to get everything set up. Once you've submitted your application, PayPal will review it. You'll typically receive a confirmation or approval notification within a few business days. If approved, your new PayPal Debit MasterCard will be mailed to your registered address, usually arriving within 7 to 10 business days. Once it arrives, remember to activate it online or by phone to start using your card right away. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.